Happy morning to one and all. Welcome to my class, 3rd English, Unit 1, Seasons Story. In today's class, you are going to recall the whole unit of Seasons Story. Tell me, children, what are all the topics we already discussed in Seasons Story? Think and answer me. Yes, you are correct, children. Summer. In summer, we learnt few vocabularies. Yes, good. Next, poem welcoming spring. What is the first line of the poem, children? Yes, few of them are saying, out of the cave, out of the hole. Very good, children. Next, raincoat. Next, a winter morning supplementary story. Let us start today's session. Let us start the topic with summer. S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. Sunglasses. S-U-N. Sun. Glasses. G-L-A-S-S-E-S. Glasses. Sunglasses. Shovel. S-H-O-V-E-L. Shovel. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Hut. H-U-T. Hut. Tender coconut. T-E-N. Tender. D-E-R. Tender coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Tender coconut. Buttermilk. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butter. Milk. M-I-L-K. Milk. Buttermilk. Ball. B-A-L-L. Ball. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R. Watermelon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Watermelon. Juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Children, these are the vocabularies we already learned in our past video session. Isn't it, children? Yes. Next, we will start the poem Welcoming Spring. Welcoming Spring. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds too join the feast. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that it is spring? The bugs are back and little spiders in black. Bears, rabbits and bees. Near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum that spring has come. Children, let us learn few additional questions from the poem Welcoming Spring. Number 1. Who came out of the cave? Who came out of the cave? Yes, the foal came out of the cave. The foal came out of the cave. Number 2. Who came out of the hole? Who came out of the hole? The rabbit came out of the hole. The rabbit came out of the hole. Number 3. Who hatched eggs in the nest? Who hatched eggs in the nest? The birds hatch eggs in the nest. The birds hatch eggs in the nest. Number 4. Why do the animals and birds hum? Why do the animals and birds hum? The animals and birds hum because the spring has come. The animals and birds hum because the spring has come. Number 5. Who are welcoming the spring? Who are welcoming the spring? Rabbits, bears, fowl, bugs, spiders, bees, and butterflies are welcoming the spring. Rabbits, bears, fowl, bugs, spiders, bees, and butterflies are welcoming the spring. Next, we are going to learn raincoat. Children, now I am going to read the story Raincoat. This will be useful for your reading purpose. Raincoat. On Sunday, Nalan's parents got him a red raincoat. "Ma, may I wear it now?" asked Nalan. "No, my dear. Now the sky is clear," said Ma. "Will it rain today, Mummy?" asked Nalan on Monday. "No, Nalan, not today. It is bright and sunny. If you wear, it will be funny," said Ma. On Tuesday, "Ma, when will my wish come true?" asked Nalan. "Not today, my dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky," said Ma. On Wednesday, "Ma, why doesn't it rain?" asked Nalan. "Son, I think it is hot. It will rain before noon," said Ma. On Thursday, during picnic, "Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take the raincoat with me for picnic?" asked Nalan. "No, my dear, it will not rain. The little white clouds are too high," said Ma. "Ma, will it rain today?" asked Nalan loudly on Friday. "It might. My dear, there are some dark clouds low down in the sky," said Ma. Saturday begins with a bang. Dadum, dadum, dadum. I hear thunder. "Will it rain very soon?" asked Nalan. Finally, it starts to rain. "Oh, it's raining, it's raining," sang Nalan, running out. "But Nalan, you forgot your raincoat," said Ma, running after him. Summary of the story. There lived a boy called Nalan. On a Sunday morning, Nalan's parents bought him a red raincoat. Nalan asked his mother if he could wear the raincoat then. Since there was no rain, the mother said no. He was insisting his mother that he wanted to wear it from Monday to Friday. Finally, it rained on Saturday. When it was raining, Nalan ran without the raincoat. Nalan's mother ran after him carrying his raincoat. Children, let us learn few additional questions from the story Raincoat. Number 1. What happened on Tuesday? What happened on Tuesday? On Tuesday, there was just one white cloud in the sky. On Tuesday, there was just one white cloud in the sky. Number 2. How was the climate on Wednesday? How was the climate on Wednesday? The climate was hot on Wednesday. The climate was hot on Wednesday. Number 3. What happened on Saturday? What happened on Saturday? It started to rain on Saturday. It started to rain on Saturday. Children, let us learn few meanings in the story. Number 1. Clear, bright, cloudless. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Cloudless, C-L-O-U-D-L-E-S-S, cloudless. Clear, bright, cloudless. Number 2. Funny, humorous, H-U-M-O-R-O-U-S, humorous. Funny, humorous. Number 3. Noon, midday. Noon, midday. M-I-D, midday. D-A-Y, day, midday, or the middle of the day. Midday or the middle of the day. Number 4. Picnic, excursion, E-X-C-U-R-S-I-O-N, excursion. Picnic, excursion. Number 5. Loudly, noisily, N-O-I-S-E-L-Y, noisily. Number 6. Begin, start, S-T-A-R-T, start, S-T-A-R-T, start. Begin, start. Number 7. Hear, listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. Hear, listen. Number 8. Down, below, B-E-L-O-W, below. Down, below. A winter morning. This is a supplementary story. The sun rises, the birds sing. The girls are ready to play. What is the past tense for sing? Yes, sang. S-A-N-G. sang. It is cold. Yes, so cold. Let me wear my warm hat as it is cold. What is the opposite for cold? Yes, hot. H-O-T. Hot. What is the past tense for wear? Yes, or. W-O-R-E. Or. The hat is not on the table. Where did the hat go? It was here. Where has it gone now? I can't find my warm socks. Where are my warm socks? Here. What is the past tense for go? Yes, you are correct. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. For find? Yes, found. F-O-U-N-D. Found. My feet are numb with cold. Children, what is the meaning for numb? Yes, you are correct, children. Not able to feel anything. Mine too. The girls shiver due to the cold. I can't find my hat and you can't find your socks. Banu finds a small hole in the wall. Janu, look here. Look into the hole. Our hat and socks are here. What is the past tense for look? Yes, looked. L-O-O-K-E-D. Looked. Tell me the opposite of small. Yes, big. B-I-G. Big. Banu and Janu take their hat and socks. Now they are ready to play. They leave to play. Then two rats come out and take their warm coat into the hole. What is the past tense of come? Yes, came. C-A-M-E. Came. For take is took. T-O-O-K. Took. Play. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Children, I hope you all enjoyed this revision video. Isn't it, children? Yes. Thank you for watching this video.